Today Holy Thursday. Right, not true. Today Holy Thursday, yes. Me want to go over the sea this morning. Go buy some fish. Me prefer to go over the sea. Over the water, over the fish, where the sea. Me prefer to wait until the fisherman then come in. Make up, me buy fish. Me love when me fish them fresh. Me love when them fresh, man. So me have, see them a come there. See the boat a come there. What kind of, let me see fish them we have. Me want some parrot. That Friday I go Friday. Me want some parrot. How much a pound for them here? Yeah, then dairy, $5 a pound. Actually Easter. Lord, then dear, give me, let me see. Give me one weight. Give me one weight of fish. One weight. But me want you scale them and cut them for me. Yes, thank you. Got them here nicely. Yes, man. So when we go home now, me just wash them with lime or sibble orange. And me wash them and me dry them. And me fry them. I say when me don't fry them, me cut up me onion, me pepper, me pimento. And me have me little vinegar me mix. And me throw them over me fish. Yes, man, and me throw them over me fish. Fish them steady and simmer, take in everything. Michelle! I wish she call me for now, what she want. Michelle! Oi! Me smell fish, yeah, fry fish. Give me anybody ever see me die in trial. Do man ask me a fry fish. Everybody now fry fish. Yes, me a fry fish. Me go buy fish this morning. Me go over the water, go buy fish. Cause me love for me fish them, man. Me love when they fresh. So me go buy them. So yes, man, me a fry fish. Oh! They just did you ask you cause me smelly. But tell me when I fry fish, man. The whole of fry fish I Easter, man. Lord, fasting fast. You don't ask me no fasting fast. So me if fish even dear. So me buy what me can afford, man. Because for me family no big, And plus they now want to go, Some we eat the fish, some we eat the head, and some we eat bun, and some we eat cheese and bread. Lord, ma, we satisfy, ma. We drink like water. Yes, ma. We never no problem with me family. Then good, ma. Then you got church tomorrow? Yes, ma. Me always got church Sunday, ma. Good Friday morning, man. Me get up early and me frock, me take down me frock already. And me hire the kind of mash up little me hire ni. So me frock take down and hire already, man. Me got Good Friday church, man, early morning. But before me go to church, man, me have sitting feel up on last night, Thursday night. Me get the glass and me put some water in it. The Jamaican tradition, the old time tradition. You put the glass and you broke the egg. And me broke the egg and me broke the egg. Then say you take out the white and you put the white in it. Me no know, they say if you look on it, the Good Friday morning. So when me I go to church, or when me come back from church, me will look on it. Me no know what they say if you go see something like boat or ship, you go, me no know what, me no remember what. So when me come from church Friday, man, me come from church Friday, me go look, me go take the glass around the back, and me go look on it. But so you not got church? Yes, man, I go look out for me white dress, me white frock. Okay, then take care. Tell everybody how they for me. Tell them happy Easter. And walk good now. Me see you. All right, Mom. If you like this video, or you find it interesting, informative, funny, please like, subscribe, share, and have a happy Easter to each and every one. And thank you for watching.